Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be making another good one. Today we're going to be making armadillo eggs. What we're going to do is take our jalapeno and we're going to cut it open, clean out the inside. We're going to stuff it with some cream cheese and a little bit of cheddar cheese, and then wrap it up, put some hamburger meat around it, a thin layer, and then wrap a couple pieces of bacon around it, and put it on a smoker. Let it smoke for a little bit. All right. What we're going to do is going to cut this open like so. I'm going to take our little spoon here, kind of clean out a little bit on the inside. So, and we're going to take our we're going to take our bag with our cream cheese and cheddar cheese in there, and put some of that in here like so. And then we're going to take some of our hamburger meat, kind of flatten this out a little bit. And we're going to kind of wrap that up. So, kind of make like an egg out of it. Once we have that like that, so we take a couple pieces. Oh no, wait, getting ahead of myself. Now we're going to want to season it. You can use any type of your favorite seasoning, rub. We are using some Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning rub. Once that's done, we're going to take a couple pieces of bacon. Like so. We're going to wrap that around. So, well, we better take a third one here. This one was kind of a big piece. All right, and we're going to do like that, and we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to do the rest of these, and when we're back, we'll take it out and put it on the smoker. All right, we will be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back, and we have 8 armadillos ready to get smoked. We'll bring them over here so you can get a look at them. There we go. And we're going to put it on our smoker for about an hour at 250, and then we're going to take them off, and then we're going to put some sauce on them, and then we're going to do about another 15 minutes on the smoker at about 300. So when it's done, we'll be back, and we'll show you what it finally looks like. All right, be back in a little while. Bye. Hey guys, we're back, and our armadillo eggs are done. I did put a little bit of this hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce on it. It's on it right now. I put it on about halfway through the smoking. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Just a little bit on the top here. And how about now we're going to cut into it and see how it looks. It sure does look good. Alright. Oh man, I can smell them jalapenos. Alright guys. This looks perfect. You see that cream cheese in there and that mustard? I mean that cheese. Look at that. The burger's done inside. It took about an hour and a half to cook it. And oh man, you can smell it. Let's take a little bite. Oh man, look at the cheese. The cheese is oohing out. Oh man. Bon appetit. Mm. Ooh, yeah. This is a thumbs up, guys. This armadillo eggs are really good. I don't know about a meal. I mean, unless we make enough of them, but they'd be a good appetizer. All right, everyone, have a great day. Stay tuned for the next one. Be sure to like and share and follow and all that other good stuff and comment. And hope to see you again on the next one. Bye for now. God bless.